Formatting an Android phone can fix common issues, protect your data before selling or gifting, and even boost performance. In this video, we'll show you how to format an Android phone step by step. Part 1. Backup Android files before formatting the phone. Formatting an Android phone resets it to factory settings and deletes all data. Before formatting, backup important files. Mobican Assistant for Android lets you backup Android data to a computer in one click. Here's the user guide. Download and launch the software on your computer. Connect your Android phone via Wi-Fi or USB. Enable USB debugging if using USB. Go to Super Toolkit Backup, select the data types, choose a save location, and click Backup. Part 2. Format Android phone via Factory Reset Partial. Open Settings on your Android phone. Go to System or General Management Reset. Tap Factory Reset. Erase all data. Confirm. Enter your lock code, and the phone will restart and reset to factory settings. Part 3. Format the device in recovery mode for broken phones. Power off your Android phone. Press and hold power plus volume up or down to enter recovery mode. Use the volume keys to select wipe data or factory reset and confirm with power. Choose yes. Wait for the reset to finish. Then select reboot system. Part 4. Format Android device via Google Find Hub remote. Open a browser and go to Google Find Hub. Sign in with the Google account linked to the phone. Select the device and click Erase Factory Reset. Confirm to remotely wipe all data. The phone will reset once it's online. Part 5. Format Android phone or tablet via manufacturer PC tools. Install the official PC tool for your phone brand. Connect your Android phone via USB and allow required permissions. Find Reset Restore System Repair and choose Factory Reset. Confirm and wait for the tool to reset your device.